In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Use JavaScript tool to Adobe Acrobat's Quick Access toolbar. If you frequently automate tasks or customize PDFs with JavaScript, having quick access to the Use JavaScript tool will save you a lot of time. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without pausing every few seconds. First, open Adobe Acrobat. This works in recent versions of Acrobat on both Windows and Mac OS. If your interface looks a bit different, don't worry. Adobe updates the design from time to time, but the options we need are still in the same general place. Look toward the top of the window for the quick toolbar. It's that compact set of icons near the title bar. On the far right, you'll see an overflow icon, 3 dots. That's the key to customizing what appears up there. Click the 3 dots to open the customization panel. In the panel that appears, you'll usually find a search box, often labeled something like Find a Tool. Type Use JavaScript into the search. Acrobat will filter the available tools and show you the Use JavaScript option. This tool is designed to let you run JavaScript directly in Acrobat, which is incredibly useful for batch operations, form enhancements, and other advanced PDF tasks. Once you see the Use JavaScript tool in the results, add it to your Quick Access toolbar. Depending on your version, this may say Add, Pin, or a small plus icon next to the tool name. After you add it, look back at the top bar and you should see the new icon appear. That means it's ready for one-click access whenever you need it. Now that it's on your Quick toolbar, you can use your JavaScripts in Adobe Acrobat more efficiently. Clicking the tool will take you to the JavaScript interface where you can work with your scripts and apply them to your PDFs. A quick reminder, JavaScript can change document content and properties, so it's a good habit to test your scripts on a copy of a file first. Also, depending on your security settings, Acrobat may prompt you before running code. That's normal and there to keep your documents safe. And that's it. You opened Acrobat, used the 3-dot menu on the Quick toolbar, searched for Use JavaScript, added it to the Quick Access area, and now you're set up to run your scripts quickly whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the streamlined workflow.